Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing for Life 93. And today I'm going to be trying a bit of carp fishing from a dock at a secret location. And I'm going to be bringing one of my medium actions ice fishing rod with 8-pound test line on it. And I'm going to see if I can land a carp with one of those. If it snaps, it snaps. I'll buy a new one, but got about a 27-minute drive till I get to my location. I'll turn GoPros back on. Stay tuned. Oh, I almost had a chub. These things are going crazy for the corn right now. Holy crap. Oh, that's a big decent one. He'd be able to eat it. Oh, here he comes. Oh. Fish on. I got him. On my ice fishing rod, I just caught a carp.
I don't got my net though, you got your net?
Yeah, I got it in.
If you can even get it in. Sorry about that. Oh, I just caught a carp on the ice fishing rod. I was doing it for a joke. I'm testing its durability for sure.
I was just trying out this lure and didn't notice. I thought I caught your line and then I seen you set. I said, oh no, it's okay.
Yeah, you're gonna get schooled, man. Yeah, you're gonna get schooled, man. Turn your drag up a little.
Well, that's a little too much. I don't want him to snap my line though. Oh yeah, I got him coming back this way.
Debbie was telling me you're joining a tournament on the weekend?
Saturday, last day of the week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's our first one.
I got one in July at White Lake.
Oh yeah?
Kayak tournament. Holy crap, you're far out, bud.
Oh, yeah.
I got a lot of line though, so I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Oh, he got off. So right now there's 3 carp by my Let's see if one of them will hit the... Oh, I think the one below it's gonna hit it. Oh. Fish on! Get the net, get the net. He's going underneath the dock.
Oh shit, you're gonna have to put your rod on.
Oh, I got him. He's in the front. Gonna do something to snag this a little bit and adjust it for him.
Fight him. Let him just keep pressure on him.
Oh yeah, fish on.
Put him on that side of the post if you can.
Oh, I don't have much control of him right now.
Okay, so get that this way, cause
I have no control.
Jordan.
I'm trying to keep him away from the post over there.
Yeah.
Is the other GoPro on? All you gotta do is hit the record button on the top. It should... Perfect. Alright, you're not getting away this time, bud. Oh yeah, we got him. Oh shit, he's dropping around the post.
Try and come here.
Don't wrap around. Oh, but we're good. We're good. This is some intense fishing all over the place right now because we got docks in the way. But that's okay. Oh, no way. My line's stuck on top of the dock. Oh, no. Yeah, but my line is gripped onto the bottom of the dock. Oh, he's jumping around that post. Oh, shit. Yeah, but are you able to run to that dock and hit? Oh, there we go. He got my line off for me. Never mind. We're good.
If you can get around that post and go out that way, you're good.
Oh yeah, she's coming in. She's coming in. I got some weed to... Don't worry about it, we're good. Oh yeah. Look at this, Randy. Told you I was catching some carp tonight. Oh yeah, she's fighting hard on the outside. Let's go. Oh yeah. This one's fighting really strong too. Oh yeah, these hooks, once these ones are set.
No dude, my sharpest hooks don't go through their bone.
Oh yeah, she's coming in. Right in the front. Dude, this is a beast. Oh yeah, she's hooked nicely in the mouth.
Don't force it too hard, you'll bend your hook, but...
Oh, it's just chilling there now.
Probably ready, eh?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, if you...
Not.
Alright, I'm
Come to the surface when it's ready. Yeah. Or no. Or just let it tire out a little.
Yeah.
Just keep working it to the surface like that.
Yeah, but there we
You
go.
got it, don't worry.
I'm not even gonna bother reeling in much because I just want to keep the pressure on. Oh, oh, he didn't.
There's another one right there.
He did not like that one bit.
Dude, he's still got too much energy.
Oh, holy crap!
See, dude, there's another one there wanting to eat, and this one's on a hook.
If you want, you should try for the next one.
Now that it's at the surface, I'll get it. Just
Oh.
don't haul it too hard, take your time, you know.
The next one you should try for. We got 20-pound test line on right now on the ugly stick. She might be ugly, but look what she's catching. Oh, I got the...
Back up till it's here.
Oh yeah. This is fighting more than the ones in today did. Like, look at that. It's just like chilling. Doesn't even like...
Yeah, it's getting tired, but it's not yet, you know. See, look, the bigger one's still there wanting to eat.
She's a little feisty. Yeah.
Not a huge one, but a nice one.
Oh yeah.
They fight nice when they're this size.
We're just gonna get her up closer.
Yeah, right in the corner of the mouth.
What's that?
Definitely not a big one.
So
Not
we
the smallest one of the group.
got the smallest one, but there's the second carp of the evening.
It's not even fighting. I don't even know if he's hooked.
Oh yeah, he's hooked on the top of his lip.
No, I said I don't even know if he's hooked yet. Because he's not fighting.
Yeah.
Dude, a monster. Right here.
Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a big monster carp just swam by. Here, I'll get up your way.
Here, grab the net.
Yeah, that's what I'm working my way to. Yeah.
He's not big up there. Oh no. See, I'll let him go if he's not going towards post.
Yeah. Oh yeah, mine just took off right towards the post. He's like, I know how to get you off. Nice, nice catch.
And you see, I keep my drag loose and I use my finger as extra
Yeah.
drag just to gauge, right?
Well, especially whenever you got docks and all that around as well. Find it helps give you more bit of control over them. She's fighting tough.
See, he realizes he's hooked now.
Yeah.
At first he didn't.
Look at the rod and the bend in that rod, people. Look at that.
Yeah, now he knows he's hooked.
Right? Only took him about 2.5 minutes.
I'm tired at the surface there. Once I know I can keep him here, he's ready to net.
Oh shit, my glasses. Oh, she's a feisty guy. Feisty.
Dude, he's pulling harder. My hook is bent for sure.
Oh yeah. Look at this, guys.
You.
This is such a great fishing evening for carp.
There's a ship in the background.
Yeah, look at that, guys. We're going sailing. We're gonna go do some shipments.
You should be good this time.
If you guys like what you see, subscribe and like. There'll be a lot more of carp fishing this year. Let's see if I can get you in a net at the same time. Oh, you want to be like that, lady?
See, that's how you tire them out. Don't let them get under. They'll be tired in no time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at her go. She's giving her final battle.
Oh, dude. You're supposed to pull.
Oh, I got the GoPro in one hand. Here, I'm putting the GoPro down. My GoPro's down.
Oh, it almost got around that post.
Now I got 2 hands on the net because I have my GoPro on. In one hand.
It's fighting now, eh?
I'm trying to get the good angle for it with
Hey,
the...
dude, I'm holding the thing to not pull drag just to get it back. And reeling in the slack. Yeah, it's not ready right yet. Okay, it's only tired.
Check out that, ladies and gentlemen.
In the top of the mouth.
Nice catch. Oh, Joe, your neighbors. And you're good. Gonna give her a nice release. Bon voyage. See you in a few days on the line. Hey everyone, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage of the carps. There'll be a lot more carp fishing going on this season. If you guys like, subscribe. There'll be a lot more to come. Stay tuned.